Dear friends, cultivating a warrior mindset is not a 7 days training program. It is actually, some people may need 5 years, 10 years, some people may learn it within a year. But it is our mindset, and it comes with different experiences. It comes with the knowledge of self. It comes with a proper kind of a training and proper kind of a coach. There is a very nice example of one guru. One student comes to his guru and asks him, the disciple asks guru, that Guruji, I want to become a warrior. What should I do? So the guru tells him that make a tree. So student or disciple was confused. He said, make a tree? How can I make a tree? So Guruji just went, and that disciple started thinking, how to make a tree? Oh, that means I have to plant the seed, and then I have to nourish that seed, then that it will grow slowly. I will have to take care, give water to it with sunlight, and with time it will grow. The same thing happens about the warrior mindset. You have to plant the courageous thought seeds in your mind first, and then slowly you have to be aware every day whether I am following that path or not, and then you will slowly become more and more confident. My dear friends, I will give you one of my experience which is very rare, pure, and you will also get motivated with that. Before some few years, I went to Delhi with 20 children. It was a magical tour, and in that tour we visited Manesar, where black cat commandos who have fought with the terrorists in Taj attack were there, and we actually saw them. We actually saw their training. We took their interview. We had a whole day kind of a conversation with them, and three things which I learned from their courageousness, their warrior mindset is that first thing, they said me that they do not fear death. They do not fear the failure. So I thought that's a great thing. Actually, we are so much afraid of the failure that we just stop fighting, or we just stop fighting for our cause. So the first thing which I learned was that never ever fear for the failure, and failure is not the option. Second thing is that they said our pride, we have made our brain and trained our brain in such a way that we have to become victorious, otherwise we'll die. So this kind of a dedication, sacrifice mindset, and the thing of inspiration in mind, that helps them to fight with the terrorist, that gives them the courage in that dark situation. And third thing they said that we are so much trained every day that when we actually fight with the terrorist, it is like our daily activity. And when they showed us, it was really a very tough training for them. They have to go through the fire, they have to go through different fogs and different kind of small bombs. So it was a kind of a shaking thing actually when we saw that training, and we thought it's not a easy thing, it's a very daredevil thing, and they dared and they dare, and that's why they can fight with the terrorist. So in the same way, there are different challenges. They come in those challenges are like a terrorist for us. How we will fight with them? We will fight with the warrior mindset. So cultivate warrior mindset. You will always thank yourself, because warrior is always ready, always prepared to fight, and he is never lazy, and he is never having a low self-esteem. So be victorious, be warrior mindset person. It will give you enormous amount of power to your mind. So stay tuned, sending you positive vibes.